Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey with a Forex quick look at the euro versus US dollar. Taking a look at this currency pair on the daily chart. If you look at the high price going back to August here to the low price that we reached last week, the 50% midpoint of this move to the downside is being retested at 0.99515. Current price is trading at 0.9941 as I type, or as I speak, I should say. The high price for the day reached up to 0.9957, just above that level by about 6 pips, but we have some cause for pause as traders ponder this key level. This level not only corresponds with the 50% midpoint, but if you go back here to this low right here, this was the July 14th low after a pretty decent trend move to the downside that saw the price move from around the 106.15 level down to the 99.51 level here. And then we saw spent the next month or so correcting up to a level of 103.678 before starting this trend move down in 2 steps. 1, 2, the high price here tested the old trend line and started to move back to the downside. So now we're back up over the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. 4 of the days to the upside here for the euro versus US dollar. It's a pretty good move to the upside. It took the price from 95 up to 99.51. That's about 400 or so pips to the upside, and we are having some cause for pause against this key technical level. If we're able to get above that level, that would open the door for a move back toward probably the parity level. That would be our first target. That's around this level right here, and then we look toward the 61.8% of the same move to the downside. Level comes in at parity 49, so it's at 1.0050, and that level also corresponds with this high going back to September 20th. So another key level on the top side, dual level, and then followed by the downward sloping trend line. This trend line, by the way, goes all the way back to this date in February, connecting to a high here in March. And further to a high here in the month of June. So that is a key trend line on the top side. If the momentum continues, that's where we would be going. So the daily chart is kind of showing the picture here in the euro versus US dollar. So far, sellers are leaning against that level. If it is able to hold, we could see a rotation back to the downside in the euro versus US dollar. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.